Chris Cuomo here. Welcome to News Nation. The National Weather Service has now issued a severe warning to Los Angeles to brace for some of the heaviest winds they've seen so far. Again, everything that we've seen in the last week, I know there's fatigue on the story unless you're living it, but the next 72 hours may see the most turbocharging of flames that are still everywhere. The winds could gust up to 70 miles an hour and could easily erase all progress and expose new areas to evacuation and, frankly, catastrophe. So far, more than 40,000 acres have been burned, but I told you last week, the numbers are irrelevant until like a week from now. 40,000 acres, you could look at it in the size of the entire city of Paris. But again, we're nowhere near done. Back with me tonight, CAL FIRE Battalion Chief Brent Pascua. This is exactly what we didn't want to hear. You guys had a window. You've done amazing work with mitigation. I've been watching it 24/7. Everybody has. Now, what are you hearing, and what can you do about it, if anything?
Well, we still are hearing that these winds are going to be really strong. So nothing's changed. We're still working around the clock to ensure that our fire lines are extra wide. Any hidden heat is detected and put out, and we have extra resources in amongst the communities closest to the fire.
Now, when the winds come, can you fight those kinds of winds in real time any more than you could the last time? Isn't it like trying to help during a hurricane?
It is, but we can definitely foresee and predict when those winds are going to surface a lot better than just showing up and having it blow like a hurricane for 2 days. So again, we've been able to surge resources in those areas that are potentially could have a fire can restart. So again, it's better that we have the chance to do it now than have to react to it later.
So the conditions may be as bad or worse, but you have advance warning now and you have an opportunity to be in place and do things. Fine. Given that, how are you holding up? How are the ranks? Is there anything you need that we can spread the word for?
We're still doing good, Chris. Thank you for asking. We're just out there trying to prepare for these winds. We have crews working in and amongst homes, creating that defensible space. Hopefully they don't even need it, but this is just a contingency plan. And we have a backup plan to that as well. Backup after backup after backup should something happen.
What's your biggest concern?
One of these embers getting to the surface and blowing over our fire line. The thing about that is, though, we have all our resources here. We have over 5,000 firefighters. So that is very concerning that something like that should happen. But I do believe we'll have enough resources here at a moment's notice, and that will be our biggest success.
All right, no reason to speculate. You're going to live it in real time. We'll be watching. And again, as always, we're a call away. Thank you so much for what you have done and what you're about to do.
You're welcome.
Be well, Chief. Hey, thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your screen. And don't forget, click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.